Before buying brake pads, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. Some pads wear down faster than you'd expect, and knowing the lifespan can save you money and stress. Let's dive into the top 5 brake pads that promise durability and performance. Product number 1, BOO Resin Brake Pads. First up, we have the BOO 4 Pairs Resin Brake Pads. Priced at just $12.64, these pads caught my attention for their compatibility with a wide range of Shimano models. If you want reliable and noiseless performance at an affordable price, this is worth a serious look. These resin brake pads minimize the initial bite time, meaning you'll notice effective braking right from the start. The material is designed to handle heat well, which is crucial for maintaining performance during those long rides. Plus, they come in a pack of 4 pairs, giving you ample replacements for the future. With over 100 purchases in the past month but no reviews yet, it's still gaining traction, but the value for the price is hard to ignore. Now, some people complained about the installation being a bit tricky due to the fitment. Here's the thing though, as long as you double-check compatibility with your bike model, you shouldn't run into serious issues. This is perfect for you if you're looking for budget-friendly brake pads that do the job. But skip this if you need something for more intense riding conditions, as these might wear out faster under heavy use. Now, if the installation issue worried you, the next product might be a better fit. Product number 2, SwissStop Flash Pro Brake Pads. Next, we have the SwissStop Flash Pro Black Prince Brake Pads. At $62.39, they are on the pricier side, but people rave about their performance. If you're serious about road cycling, this is a solid option to consider. These pads are made for SRAM and Shimano road bikes, and their aluminum and rubber composition means you get excellent stopping power. They're designed to handle wet and dry conditions effectively, which is great if you ride in varied weather. With a sleek design and a promise of durability, these pads stand out in the market. However, they've only sold around 50 units recently, which makes me wonder about their visibility. Now, some users mention that these pads can be a bit noisy at times. Here's my perspective. While noise can be a nuisance, the braking performance they deliver often outweighs the sound. This is perfect for you if you prioritize high-performance braking during intense rides. But if you're a casual rider who rarely pushes their bike to the limits, you might find better value elsewhere. That was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a mix of performance and value. Product number 3, CoolStop Bicycle Brake Pads. Now let's talk about the CoolStop Bicycle Brake Pads with X-Pad. At $24.25, they offer a balance of performance without breaking the bank. If you want reliable pads for both casual and competitive rides, this is worth your attention. These pads come in a salmon color and are designed specifically for Dura-Ace/Ultegra bikes. Plus, the size and design of these pads make for easy installation, a big plus for DIY enthusiasts. Despite being a newer entry with about 50 units sold, they're quickly gaining a following. Some users have noted that the pads wear out a bit quicker than expected under heavy braking conditions. But here's the kicker, for most casual riders, this isn't a deal breaker. They still deliver great performance for regular use. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable upgrade with good longevity. However, if you do a lot of downhill biking, you might want to consider a more durable option. Alright, if the wear issue was a concern, the next product has a reputation for being incredibly durable. Product number 4, Corky Brake Pads. Coming in hot, we have the 2 pairs brake pads for TRP Tektro Shimano models from Corky. Priced at $15.17, these pads present an attractive option for those who want durability without spending a fortune. If you want brake pads that can handle aggressive riding, this is definitely worth your time. Made from ceramic, these pads are engineered to give you powerful braking performance and extended lifespan. They're compatible with a wide range of Shimano models, making them a versatile choice. What I found impressive is their wear resistance. They're built to last longer, meaning fewer replacements. With 50 units sold recently, they're getting some attention for good reason. However, some feedback suggests they might not perform as well in wet conditions. Here's my take. While that could be a drawback for some, if you're mainly riding in dry weather, these pads are fantastic. This is perfect for you if you're looking for reliable pads that won't let you down during normal rides. But skip these if you often ride in the rain or muddy conditions. Now, if you're looking for something specifically designed for mountain biking, the next product might just be what you need. Product number 5, Cool Stop Dual Compound Pads. Last but not least, we have the Cool Stop Dual Compound Mountain Pads for linear pull brakes, priced at $16.61. They balance performance and affordability perfectly. If you want reliable stopping power on mountain trails, you'll want to keep listening. These pads combine rim-friendly compounds with an innovative design that caters specifically to mountain biking. The dual compound ensures you get effective braking in various conditions, which is essential when tackling steep descents or rough terrain. With a compact size, they're easy to install and they've been steadily growing in popularity. Some reviews have pointed out that they can wear down faster if used on mixed surfaces. Here's why it's still worth it for dedicated mountain bikers. The performance they deliver often outweighs the potential for quicker wear. This is perfect for you if you want dependable performance on the trails. But if you only ride occasionally or on paved surfaces, you might find better options for your needs. That was a great selection of pads. Now, let's quickly wrap up what we've discussed. To recap, we looked at the BOA resin brake pads for budget-conscious riders, the high-performance SwissStop Flash Pro, the reliable Cool Stop bicycle brake pads, the durable Corky options, and the trail-ready Cool Stop dual compound pads. Each offers unique benefits depending on your riding style. Whether you're commuting, road cycling, or hitting the mountain trails, there's a perfect pad for you. Thanks for tuning in and happy cycling.